Hey, what? Ray Mack. Hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
What's up, YouTube? We're making mambo sauce. First ingredients that we're going to use is some ketchup. Yes, indeed. So right now what I'm using is a half a cup of ketchup. That's what we're going to start with. All right, this mumbo sauce is good, y'all. I'm telling you, you can put this on some chicken wings, some fries, and I'm telling you, it is banging. This mumbo sauce originated from out of Washington, D.C., from out of a Chinese restaurant. And I'm telling you, y'all got to try this recipe. Trust and believe me. Second ingredients, we're going to use some red wine vinegar. And we're going to also put a half a cup of that in it as well. And we got a couple of more of ingredients going into this here mumbo sauce. Yes, Lord. I got my favorite all-time hot sauce, which is Texas Pete. And I like a little heat to this. So with this hot sauce, you can use whatever amount you like. As you can see, I love some hot sauce. All right. So just put in the amount that you would like as far as your heat preference goes. And I'm also tossing in some of this here Sriracha Sauce. I love it, y'all. I'm telling you. So now what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna mix this up just a little bit. Before I mix it up, let me add some sugar to this. All right, got to add some sugar. Yes, indeed, just a little bit to sweeten up the palate. The original mumbo sauce is kind of sweet, and some of the mumbo sauce ingredients, some people put in pineapple juice or whatever like that. So if you want to try to experiment a little bit and just add your little pineapple juice, go ahead and do it. But one of the all-time favorite ingredients that I love is some of this here chili sauce, sweet chili sauce. Now, when I tell you this is not hot at all, but the flavor is just right, you understand? So I put in some sweet chili sauce into this. I don't like measuring my stuff. I only measure the first couple of ingredients for you guys just to see, let you know how much you should put in. All right, so now I got me a little top on this here container. All you have to do is just shake it up a little bit, and you can either make it up in a container, put a top on it, put it in the refrigerator. It'll set in the fridge for about a good couple of weeks or so. And if you don't want to use a container, do like I do. Put it inside of a little squeeze bottle. And only thing that I would highly suggest is make sure that the top has enough space to squirt that sauce out whenever you are using it. Try this here mumbo sauce recipe, and I'm telling you, you will definitely love it. Trust and believe me, you guys. This mumbo sauce is off the chain. Yes, sir. But this is Ray Mack style. All right. I love you guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this here video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And become a Ray Mack family member by clicking on my photo. I always say this at the end of every video: love and not hate. Make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know what you want to see next. Peace.